Welcome to Basic AI. Let's get started with an inspector. You are in the acceptance stage of the task workflow. First, go to the Task tab on the sidebar. Under To Do, locate the acceptance category. Your tasks will be displayed here. Click Inspect on the task card. All the data in this task is available here. You can filter and organize it by assignee annotator, workflow stage, and activities. It also allows for monitoring the rule violations identified by quality check jobs. Additionally, you can also access the task overview, QA rules, and performance lists. Inspect data before approving or rejecting it. For data in the acceptance stage, click View in ACC or View All in ACC to access the tool page. You can comment or modify the data, like a reviewer. For data not yet in the acceptance stage, click View in QA to access the tool page and leave comments. For tasks with a large amount of data, we recommend using a sampling approach for inspecting. You can customize the sampling method and size. Next, switch to the Sample category to inspect the data. You can change the QA rules for the task and conduct batch quality checks. Select the relevant data and rules. View the report after running it. The data viewed on the tool page will be locked. You can unlock the items when switching back to the data list. Additionally, if someone else has occupied the data, you can forcibly unlock it. After inspecting the data in the acceptance stage, you can accept or reject it. Click Reject and fill in the required information. The rejected data will be returned to the specific stage and worker. Click Accept to approve the data. Once accepted, the annotation results will be synchronized with the dataset. Approved data may require revision. Utilize filters or navigate from the Overview tab to find it and click Revise. After your teammates modify the data, it will be shown on the task card. Click the icon to re-review it. If you experience any problems, click the avatars on the card to get the admin's contact information. Additionally, you can click here to view your performance. Feel free to check out the document for more details. See you in the next session.